welcome back to Drawing Dexterity. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Pikachu, but catching its little baby. How cute is that? Pikachu is my most favorite character. Pikachu is the most iconic and cute Pokemon character. So, what are we waiting for? Let's start. Let's start with Pikachu's face. So we're going to start from here and make a nice round circle. I skipped that part because we're going to make Pikachu's ears, so don't forget about that. Okay, now let's draw Pikachu's ears. So let's draw Pikachu's first ear. Now let's draw Pikachu's second ear. Now let's start drawing Pikachu's eyes. So I will be switching my marker for that. So let's start. I like opening the marker like that. Oops. Wait, I didn't make something. Wait. I forgot to make this style on Pikachu's ear. Okay, cut that. Now let's make Pikachu's eyes. His little cute eyes. Let's make a circle on this side and on that side. Okay, Pikachu's eyes are something like that. And you have to color in it. Is it looking good? You guys have to tell me in the comment section. Okay, now let's make Pikachu's second eye. Like, I'm making the details on the eyes right now. The other eye looks a bit smaller because it's on that side. This is 3D. Not 3D. I don't know how to say. This is, kind of, he's facing that way. So, you guys know. Now let's draw Pikachu's his mouth basically. So you're going to draw this like a W. Not a W, but it's kind of like a W. Now we are going to color in Pikachu's ears. So let's color in them in seconds. Okay, you guys have to tell me how many seconds it took me to color in the ears. Probably less than 10 seconds, right? Okay, now we will draw Pikachu's body, Pikachu's little body. So, let's start from here and come down like that. And you guys have to rate my drawing from 1 to 10 at the end. Okay. That's Pikachu's foot. Okay, now let's draw his hand. His long hand and his fingernails. Only 2. Okay, now let's draw his second hand. It looks like Pikachu's catching someone, right? Okay, this is Pikachu's. We're completing Pikachu's foot. Okay, I tried to make a paw, but I don't know what that looks like. Okay, let's make Pikachu's second foot. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Now let's make some details like that. I don't know what type of detail that is, but we gotta make Pikachu's little tail. Little tail, not little. It's like a lightning strike. So let's make it. So you gotta draw along with me so it's easy for you. It's not hard to make his tail. It's just zigzag. Zigzag, like staircase. Yes, easy peasy. And oh my goodness. Yes, like that. Okay, now we gotta make some details. Like, you know, Pikachu has these on the back, strips, whatever that's called. I know nothing about Pikachu. Pikachu is my favorite Pokemon character. I just know Pikachu. I don't know any other characters of Pokemon. I don't know, but I think there are more, right? Yeah, obviously there are more. Okay, now we gotta draw Pikachu's little baby. I don't know Pikachu had a baby. I don't. Okay, let's draw it now. So follow along, so it's easier for you guys to draw. It's a bit small there, but it's still easy to draw. Don't worry, you guys can do it. Okay, we gotta make Pikachus. Pikachus. Oh, I don't know what that is. Okay, now this is Pikachu's leg. Just copy me, guys. That's Pikachu's second leg. Okay, this is his first leg. And then okay, and let's draw Pikachu's little hands. That called hands. Did that look like hands? You guys tell me in the comments if my drawing looks amazing. Okay, let's draw Pikachu's eyes now. Mr. Pika's eyes. Mr. Pika. Pika the guy. I don't know, but my brother says that my nickname should be Teacup the Chewy. What's that? You guys have to tell me in the comment. What does that word means? Teacup the Chewy. Teacup the Chewy. I'm gonna call Pikachu Teacup the Chewy. Oh no, it's eyes. I don't like them. Okay, let's just make. You can make different type of eyes. Don't count those eyes. I'm bad at drawing eyes. Okay. His tongue is sticking out. I wanted to make Pikachu. Oh, I forgot one thing. I almost forgot it over here too. I don't know, the baby looks like trash. It's not looking accurate. It's not looking good. Like that is Pikachu's baby, uglier than him. Okay. But at least our main character is looking so good. And if you guys want, you can also make a football over here. It's gonna also look good. If you think making the baby is hard, so I'm just making baby's ears. Mr. Baby, your ears are just looking ugly. Nobody wants to make you, and they want you to be a soccer ball. Like, you can make a soccer ball that Pikachu's just running after the soccer ball, and that's it. Our drawing is done. And if you want me to draw more Pokemon character drawings, please like, comment, and subscribe for them. Thanks for watching my videos. See you again. Bye, everyone.